The Bose T4S ToneMatch Mixer is an ultra-compact 4-channel interface engineered to offer studio-quality EQ, dynamics, and effects. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your mixer. Let's begin by carefully opening the box and confirm the following parts are included. Your T4S ToneMatch Mixer, a ToneMatch cable, and lastly, your owner's guide and important safety information. To remove the protective cover, push up from the front of the cover and lift it off. To reattach, place the cover back over the mixer, and the magnetized cover will engage on its own and secure itself to the mixer. Okay, let's connect your output source. Your T4S mixer can be connected to output devices via digital and analog connections. A digital connection is only possible when connecting to an L1 series system. Connecting to an L1 system is also the only time your T4S does not need the optional ToneMatch power supply. First, make sure your L1 system and T4S are powered off, and that the T4S master volume control is set to minimum. Plug one end of the ToneMatch cable into the power port on the T4S, and the other end into the L1 power stand. Then, turn on the L1 power stand and your mixer. To connect via an analog connection, first make sure your system and T4S are powered off and that the T4S master volume control is set to minimum. Using a 1/4-inch cable, connect the device to the stereo output of your T4S. Connect the ToneMatch power supply accessory to the T4S power port and then plug it into a power outlet. Turn on your output device and your mixer. Now let's connect our input sources using an XLR or 1/4-inch cable. Please note, when using phantom power, ensure all XLR connected devices require phantom power. If connecting an XLR input that doesn't require phantom power, turn off the phantom power switch. When an input signal is present, the LED indicator for the respective channel will glow green. A red LED indicates the input source is clipping. The trim controls beneath each channel adjust the input sensitivity. Use the volume controls at the bottom of the control panel to adjust the volume level for the respective channel. You're now set up and ready to use your Bose T4S ToneMatch Mixer. For additional information, visit our website.